morning guys. So I decided I would vlog today and I'm vlogging from my Canon, so hopefully the quality will be a little bit better. I'm going to document my day with my little son. I am trying not to include him in this vlog, but it is life with a toddler, so I'm going to show some snippets of him. We woke up quite early this morning. He was up at 6:47, something like that, which is a little bit unusual because usually he will sleep until 8 o'clock, sometimes even 9. And he went to sleep super late yesterday. He actually took a nap between 6 p.m. and 8. And then he didn't go to sleep until 2 a.m. We tried everything, but he literally did not have any desire to sleep. He was just playing with his toys and it was quite a torture. This don't really happen that often. He does have his schedule when he goes to sleep more or less with us. So I just don't know what happened, you know. But he does have a routine, but sometimes it's just the way it is. You know, you can't really expect every single day to be the same. So we'll just see what goes around today. And my little son is playing right now with his... He loves this telephone toy. It was a gift from my dear friend and ex-colleague from work from Croatia, and he's just loving this toy. It's his favorite one. You know how kids get tired of toys easily? Well, not this toy. He just likes it way too much. And you see how he just removed his sock. Now I have to go and search for it because it's quite chilly actually today. I think the fall is really in the air. So I do want him to have his socks or slippers. So here he has his little teepee tent that he actually constantly moves around. So now it's a little bit more narrow than it used to be. We have to like reset it again, but it's very, very beautiful, and we got it from Fun with Mom website. They hand make their teepee tents and all kinds of other things for kids and babies, and this model is in Sea Breeze. It came together with this like little decoration pendant and with a mattress as well, but I added this this little carpet. And this is another area dedicated to him and his play. Usually this is closed, but it doesn't have really much purpose now staying closed because he moves it around easily. So now like the gate is open, so he can come inside whenever he wants. But this was actually super useful when he was like taking his first steps, because it's pretty big, this area here, so he was able to you know, exercise his walking and everything without me having to worry that he's going to fall or hurt himself or just go somewhere where it's not safe enough. But now, as I've said, he like grew out of this, so now it just serves as a little playground where he has his toys, colorful area, and he can just come inside or go outside whenever he wants. Pilić, ideš u svoj vrtić? Ideš se igrati u vrtić? Let me show you his little pajama. It's from H&M, and it's like a set of 2 pajamas. One is like this and the other one is mint green with lots of Mickey Mouse happy face print. Anyway, it's a gift from my hubby, and it was for my birthday. He got us like matching pajamas, so that was really cute of him. Sebastian, gdje je čarapica? Gdje smo stavili čarapicu? Ha? Idemo staviti čarapicu? Da ne bude hladno na nožicu. I mama ima čarapice. Ha? Oh, there it is. Then I'll put out from the fridge some yogurts. This is his yogurt, it's by Plasmon, and this one is pear, so he really likes this one, and these are mine. I'm running out of this one, that's why I have another one, and I have some freshly cut apple for him because he likes to eat apple. This is my little vlogging camera and my Mac, and I have to check my emails. I don't know when am I going to do that, but let's hope I will be able to. And then I'll also like squish one banana for him, and this is going to be for his breakfast. He likes to eat banana and yogurt and a little bit of apples, some snacks, and obviously I still it's not obviously, but I do still breastfeed him, so he has his milk in the morning, so yeah, breast milk. I don't have a lot, I suppose, but I still do breastfeed, so he gets some nutrients from there too. So this is actually the first morning I have my dressing gown, because as I've said, since yesterday I can really feel the fall in the air. It's definitely way more chilly than it used to be. Summer has gone, but it's still quite, warm, and I really enjoy this type of fall. I washed my hair yesterday, such a luxury, yeah, and I noticed I need to color it again. This color that I am now doing is really nice because, let me see what he's up to. Yeah, he's in the kitchen, and when he's in the kitchen I know it's going to be trouble because he goes and opens all the drawers, which is something he's not allowed to do. Anyway, this color that I'm putting on my roots is nice, it's darker, I like it, but I also noticed it washes out really quickly, and in like 3 weeks I already am not that satisfied with it. Can you see him wanting to pick the computer? Oh my god. Sebastian, nemoj to radit, ne dirati, past će, da se ne razbije. Mama će ti otvorit kompjuter. Mama će ti ga otvorit. So yeah, soon I'm going to retouch my roots again, and I want to get darker color, and I don't want it to wash out bronzy or brassy, so we will see. He's still there. So it's time for a nappy change. I'm obviously not going to film that part, but here is a little kit that I have. These are some clothes from yesterday that I need to put away, but this is a little nappy changing kit, and these are the nappies that we currently use. They are from Lidl supermarkets, and they are very nice quality. They are very good price-wise, affordable comparing to other brands, and they are very soft and just very simple, don't have any harsh ingredients, they aren't scented, so they won't cause irritations. We are very happy with these. We currently have these Panaten Baby Ultra Sensitive wipes. We also do love HUBBY'S Pure and wet wipes. And this is like the best nappy changing cream. I am planning to do a full review of this, because this not only prevents irritations, but if your baby does get some irritation, this will really help it to just soothe and calm and just make the irritation go away, so that's amazing. And then I have this little talc powder that's supposed to absorb the humidity, and it's also by Panaten. We also use Fissan, it's Italian, and I don't put this directly onto his skin because I don't want to dry it out too much, but I just put it a little bit on the nappy. So that's that. So I've changed him, and now he has these little pants, stripes with stripes. Oh gosh. Now it's fighting over camera. Oh, who will take over? Oh my god. Look at how cute his little... I'm trying to film his outfit, but it's quite impossible. Anyway, his little slippers are super cute. I actually repurchased them in bigger size, obviously, because he grew out of the smaller ones that he had. They're so cute, and he loves them too. When I bought another pair of slippers for him, he just did not want to put them on. This is how much he likes these ones. And yeah, now he's hiding. But anyway, these are pants from H&M, and they are so lightweight. They're like summery, but inside of the house it's still quite warm. So this is his outfit for when we're in. And this is his little t-shirt from Zara that I ordered online at sales like 1 year ago. And underneath he has this little body. It's sleeveless with little stars. And this is actually quite big, but it's size 92 centimeters from H&M, but this one is actually quite big. And so are the pants. Actually, I had to fold them, but maybe they are going to be good for next summer as well. So this is his little outfit of the day. And by the way, here is Lancia. Hello Lancia, what are you up to this morning? How's life? Is everything good? Yeah. He seems to be in a mood for Meow Mao cartoon this morning, and we have everything ready. So this is his banana pureed and yogurt, apples, some healthy snacks for kids, for babies, and my not so healthy breakfast, just very quickly yogurt and some unhealthy cereals. Now it's time for me to wash the dishes, and sometimes I can easily do that, like some mornings I can easily do that because he's in his feeding chair just behind me, and he's sitting still watching. Now for example he's watching Nirvana concert, so that's nice. Obviously I never leave him in his feeding chair unattended. He's just over there, so very close to me. I know what he's doing at every single point. And sometimes after his breakfast he doesn't really want to sit still, so then I don't really have time to wash dishes. But now I'm just going to take the advantage that he is sitting still, and I'm going to wash these dishes. So I've just had a quick 5 minutes in the bathroom, like 5 minutes routine to start the day. So I just changed my clothes. I'm wearing something very casual for whenever I'm at home, just some pants, like jogger pants, and these are from New Yorker store, and I have my H&M cami. Excuse me, I'm not even wearing a bra. Yeah, and brushed my hair, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and just put my moisturizer, under eye cream. I'm not going to be showing you my routine because I'm running low on my skincare products and I need to change my skincare routine. So until I go to my drugstore or make online purchase, I will just keep using the products that I have, but I am going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm just going to show you a mascara that I purchased, but I'm not wearing it now. Obviously I don't wear any makeup whatsoever, as you can see. Yay! So mascara, I was on a lookout for black mascara because I have only one mascara and it's brown. So finally I purchased this one by Kiko because I noticed they were at €3.95 on sale. So I have Kiko store very close to where I work. So I just went for this unmeasurable length fibers extension effect mascara. Let me know, have you ever used it? I'm hoping it's going to be good. And another question I wanted to ask you all moms. My son is now 20 months old. When he was younger, I was able to brush his teeth. But now he just doesn't want to hear about it. Like, no way can I brush his teeth. I have his little toothbrush here by Kiko. And I also have this toothpaste as well. Now it's not focusing, but anyway, it's with apple and banana, and it's supposed to be from 6 months plus. Low abrasion formula combats the formulation of dental cavities. So I tried putting just a dot, just a tiny little bit on his toothbrush, or I tried without this, but he just doesn't want to hear about it. I even gave toothbrush to him, just like, okay, do it by yourself, you're a big boy now, I showed you how to, but he only chews on it, or he wants to brush my teeth. Then I went and picked my toothbrush and we were like brushing each other's teeth, but it ended up that he was only brushing mine and he didn't want his teeth to be brushed. So now I just give him apple because, you know, apple does kind of clean teeth, but still I'm a little bit worried about that. So if you have any advice, please let me know. Obviously, I think when he gets a little bit older and when he starts understanding more and communicating with me in language, because he still does not speak, I may be able to explain him a little bit better about oral hygiene and stuff. So eventually he will start brushing his teeth, but I just was hoping he would start sooner because he already has almost all his teeth. Yeah, anyway. Okay, we are going to be doing some vacuuming now, and he usually loves vacuuming with me. He's my little helper. I usually sing this little song and he helps me push the vacuum cleaner. So this is one thing that we always do together. It takes a little bit longer obviously, but he enjoys it, so it's kind of entertaining for him. So let's do that, let's go and vacuum, yay! Okay, so I need to vacuum every single day because we have a dog and she leaves a lot of hair. Let me call her in. Lancia, Daci. She's so funny. Anyway, I would still need to wash the floors and clean the bathroom, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it today. We will see, maybe in the afternoon, because right now it's like 11:30 and I'm going to try and see if my son will fall asleep. I'm going to breastfeed him now. I assume he would like to sleep because, as I've said, he woke up very early this morning, so yeah, we will see. Okay, so my little son just fell asleep. It's around midday now. And I'm debating whether to go to sleep as well with him or to stay awake and do some things for my blog and for Glam Express. I mean, this morning when we woke up, the first thing I had on my mind was, we're going back to sleep in a couple of hours. I'm definitely going to go to sleep when he goes to sleep because I was just so tired. We did not sleep well this night. But now, I mean, this morning I watched some interview with Miranda Kerr, and I mean, I know that she has like a whole army of help if she wants to, but she was saying something about visualization and roots, earth, ground, energy. Don't ask me anyway. That kind of made me believe that I can actually stay awake and do some posts if I'm motivated enough. So I don't know, I think I will do that, but I'm pretty sure that in a couple of hours I will regret this decision. Yeah, because it's exhausting when you are, you know, on your own taking care of your child. I mean, obviously I have help from my hubby, but we are alone in this, and when we are so tired that we want to sleep a little bit, I'm sure a lot of you can understand and relate. Yeah, I don't really have any day off because I work on weekends, so that's that. But let's be productive. Let's plant the roots in the earth and suck the energy out. So I managed to post one article for Glam Express. It's about my Born Pretty store new in haul. And now my little son is awake. I have to go and soothe him because he's crying. He's been sleeping for an hour. He usually sleeps more than that. Okay guys, so let me do a little update what happened since the last time you saw me. As you can see, I managed to put some makeup on. I actually filmed Get Ready With Me video whilst my son was sleeping. And he slept a long time. He usually does not sleep so long, but because he didn't sleep well this past night, I knew he was going to be a little bit more cranky and that he would need his sleep. So basically he woke up at around noon, so it was 1 hour that he was sleeping, and I breastfed him until 1 o'clock, something like that, so for half an hour, and then I just like detached myself from him, and I saw that he just continued snoozing. So he stayed sleeping in our bed actually for quite some time. It's 3:15, so he was sleeping until 3. So that's quite a bit. Basically, he slept for more than 3 hours, but he had to catch up on his sleep actually. So now we're just cuddling a little bit, and I actually already prepared his lunch. So we're going to eat now. I'm going to show you what I made, and that's a little update for now. I am wearing makeup. I managed to film a video, but I said to myself, you're going to regret this decision later, because I'm going to be so sleepy in the afternoon hours, late afternoon hours or evening. So just hoping this little guy will sleep well tonight. Hey guys, so I noticed you were not able to see me at all. I was like babbling on how I have makeup and everything. Here I am wearing makeup, playing with my son. But as I said, we have to go and make our lunch now because he needs to eat. And the plan was to go outside in a drugstore. I do need to buy some bits. I have a list of things that I would like to buy. And we will see. If it's not too late, then we will go out. I don't want to go out too late because I have some work to do this evening, and my hubby will come home at around 6:30, so I can catch up on my work then. Hoćemo papat ručkica, Sebastian. Hoće ti mama napraviti ručkić? Miš moj mali. Miš moj mali. So my hubby was here in the lunch break, and he brought us the best bread there is. Like seriously, I'm going to gain a couple of pounds just because I started eating bread on a daily basis. That's insane. It's just so delicious. It's like a cake. You don't need to add anything on it. You can just eat this. It's crazy. So we decided we won't be buying it every single day because it will ruin us. This is potato bread, and this is just like normal bread, and they are so delicious. Oh gosh, it's from local bakery. And here for my little son, I'm steaming vegetables. I have this steamer and blender. So I have here a courgette, cauliflower, and I have pumpkin and sweet potatoes. And I'm going to add some cheese and meat. And that's going to be his lunch today. Okay guys, so I know you can't really see me well, but I just wanted to update you quickly. So now we're done with lunch and he ate, well, not too well, but almost everything that I prepared for him. So we're going to go now to the drugstore as I was originally planning to do. I just wanted to show you quickly my outfit. I just threw what was first in my wardrobe. I still don't know how to dress because the weather is a little bit crazy. Like from summer we went to fall very quickly. So basically I'm wearing this knitted sweater from H&M, and underneath I have another like another basic cotton t-shirt. Well, actually it has like 3/4 length sleeves and it's from H&M, and I'm not even wearing any bra. Just, I don't know, I just didn't have time, you know. These are my jeans. They are skinny jeans from H&M and they're super stretchy. And guys, I've gained weight actually. They are even a little bit too tight on me right now. Gosh, I've gained weight. I can feel that. I haven't been eating very healthy. I was skinnier after giving birth, but now I am just concentrating on giving the healthiest things to my little boy, and then I eat whatever just to just not to be hungry. And I am planning on taking better care of myself, surely. And I'm just going to put my Adidas Superstar trainers. And I will bring a jacket as well because I don't know if it's going to be chilly for the jacket or not, but yeah, just wanted to show you quickly. Hi guys, so we are in the car now and we just parked. My camera is in a really weird position because I don't have a place here in my car for the camera. But I just wanted to update you quickly that we decided not to go to the drugstore that is like half an hour drive from where I live, but we're just going to go here in our crappy little drugstore locally, because I had to like change him twice before we actually went outside, and it's now 5:15. So I figured if we go and drive to that place that is a little bit far away from where I live, we will end up in a traffic jam because everybody is returning home from work. So it's just easier for us to go here and have a little walk as well, and you know, be home before 6:30, hopefully. The negative thing is that in this drugstore here we cannot find half of the products that I like and need. I did not bring my Canon because obviously it's just not practical, so I'm just here with my little vlogging camera. And that's it. I'm going to sign off now. Bye! Okay guys, so we are back and there is a mosquito here flying. Camera is going to fall. I just basically wanted to show you what we bought. Obviously there weren't much mosquito. Yeah, obviously yeah, I am a little bit disappointed because I wasn't able to find a lot of things that I actually needed for my skincare. So I'm either going to go to that other drugstore this week or I'm going to make an online purchase. We will see. Anyway, I'm going to quickly show you what I got. So I repurchased this intimate shower gel. A fly, I mean, it's full of bugs here, by YOUTHMUD. It's a nice product. I just finished it, so I repurchased it because they did not have anything else. This one was only €1. Then I got this L'Angelica toothpaste, which is, as I've said, something that I really like. It was €1.49, something like that, and this one is with lime and mint. So we will see. I have licorice and it's amazing, and L'Angelica products are so amazing. So then I purchased a shower gel for my hubby, nothing really exciting. This one is ginseng and guarana, so it's supposed to be revitalizing, and it's also supposed to tonify a little bit, I don't know. Anyway, I hope he will like it. It was super cheap as well. I repurchased this mouthwash. I'm running low on it, and I was very pleased. So they really did not have much, so I just repurchased the one that I'm pleased with. And then I got some shoe ties, because I bought my Vans a couple of months ago and they were on a special offer, but I realized one shoe did not have shoelaces, so I had to purchase them, you know. Because I don't know what happened. I was buying them in a rush and I did not pay attention to this detail. And then I purchased hair color. This is probably the most exciting thing of all. I went for this L'Oreal Preference. I'm going to review it obviously, and it's in shade number 4 Tahiti, and it's supposed to be like this and it's supposed to be a little bit dark, as you can see. And I'm not going to use it on my lengths obviously, but as I was mentioning, I want something on my roots to be like dark, you know, because now, as you can see, my roots have this tendency to go a little bit brassy or bronze, which is something I really dislike. I want to add that darkness to my roots, just like very cool, natural, dark shade that would blend well with the rest of blonde, as I've had years ago. So I don't think that's so hard to achieve, but apparently it is. I don't know, even when I'm using professional hair dyes, it always seems to fade, and I don't know. So I will try with this L'Oreal one. Hopefully I won't go too dark, and hopefully I won't have any reddish undertone, so keep your fingers crossed. Bless you. Salute, beba, nazdravlje. Now let's go home.